Hey guys, now welcome to the Fusion Beats dance channel. I'm Francesca and what we're doing is this dance cover that I put in a couple of weeks ago called Bhangra Ta Sajda. It has been a requested tutorial because you guys want to learn the steps, you want to do them as group dancers or even just to learn some basic bouncing beats. So this is the song for you. Okay, to start with, if you're the female dancer, your hand goes on the hip and what you're doing is you're bouncing and kicking and kicking. So your hip is going out and you're kicking. If you're a boy and you're doing this, I'd say arms up, bouncing, okay? So you can use this as your entry point. You could probably bounce your way to position. You might want to turn around in a circle. Then we get started with 1 and 2. So it's up, up, down. Make sure your elbows are up and not on some other angle, okay? So ready? And 1 and 2. Swing your arms and tap the right leg, but move it to the left. So it's 1 and 2, bounce, bounce, okay? I'm keeping my fingers together and I'm keeping them quite strong. So ready? And 1 and 2, 3, 4. Lift the right arm, left arm, drop, drop. Okay, now this is the difficult part that I found most of my students, is that you're lifting it up, then you're sitting back, knee, knee. Okay, so ready? And 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, back, back. For 4 counts, your hand goes behind the back, and you're going to bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, step out on the right, 5, 6, then you're going to do a dab down, okay? Yes, I have put the dab in for that one, but it's so quick, it's like a second. All right, so we'll put that sequence together. We've got 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, turn, 2, 3, 4, over, dab. So for this next part is the chorus. It goes straight into the chorus. As soon as you turn around, step out, round, and dab. Your arms are going to be up and you're going to go forward, back, twist, hit the foot, twist, hit the foot. And you can put more rhythm into it as well. So bounce it, twist, twist. Then you're going from here, you're going 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So hop it, hop it, hop it, hop it, drop. Down, 2, pick it up, in. Okay? So that's all the chorus bit. So you've got 1, 2, twist, twist, and 1, 2, 3, 4, down, circle, up. Alright, so as soon as you finish doing the chorus, it goes into the girly part. So you're going forward, back. So your hips move with your arms, okay? So 1, 2, then you're hopping to the left. Hop, 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 look, look, look. Okay? So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. You're facing the side and you're going to go in, flick, okay? So 1, 2, out. Alright? So let's put that together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. In, out, hop, 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 turn, then it goes into the chorus. 1 and 2, 3, 4. So you've only got 1. So it's right, left, in, out, in, then to the corner, forward, back, turn around. Okay, so let's do that again. Ready? 1 and 2, 3, 4, corner, over. Then you're going clap, clap, out, twist, twist. Yeah? So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and then from there, it's a in and Let's do that chorus bit again from the girly bit. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Look, look, look. 1, 2. Then from there, hop, hop, hop. Turn. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Corner. Turn. Clap, clap. Hit, hit. In. Hip, hip. Then it goes into a whole bunch of other dancing. So in there, I've done that second verse, but I'd cut it out and just concentrate on this little part that we've got. So it's a real quick choreography, gives you some basic steps, something to get started with, and you can add your own moves. So I'll see you guys next week for another dance cover and tutorial.